Welcome to Mississauga. Located right outside of Toronto, this city is distinct. With various wildlife, great cuisine, and houses DENSO Sales Canada, this site has been centrally located between their customers for over 50 years. They are one of the smallest of DENSO sites, with just over 30 people, focusing on aftermarket and industrial sales. Let's step inside.
We're the interface to get the parts from all of the DENSO locations around the world to our Canadian customers.
Although we're small, we're mighty.
We are like a little family that works, and we have many hats on. We support each other and we work hard.
When the customer has a question, concern, or an actual quality problem, we go in, we investigate and show we can solve a problem, and we guarantee our product to the customer.
Because we are so small, you kind of become a jack of a lot of trades. So you get to stick your fingers in a lot of different pies and wear a lot of different hats.
DENSO is very involved.
We have a great impact on the community.
It's great to see that we can actually do something in the greater world in our little role as a quality engineer.
Over the years, DENSO has helped me grow as both an employee and a person. I've been given a tremendous amount of responsibility, but I've also been able to forge my own path.
No matter what, there will always be something new and exciting coming from this place.